Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is Rashid Minhas. Today's lecture 2, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of grammar, today we are going to learn about simple present and simple past tense, and we'll cover page number 32 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you simple present tense and simple past tense. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures again. So today we learn further. Yes, in your Unit 3, already I have revised with your simple past tense. I hope again you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures, and we are going to learn further to identify and use of tenses previously learnt in speech and in writing. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2 till 5. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and spend out of what we have provided for them, and who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam, and what was revealed before you and of the hereafter. They are certain in faith. Those are upon right guidance from their Lord, and it is those who are the successful. Allahumma ij'alna minhum. May we be among them who are successful. So my dear children, Allah has mentioned all the qualities of successful people. And what I have shown to you in red color, it's telling the present tense. This is the book. The book is present, alhamdulillah. There is no doubt. And the people who believe in unseen, established, this is all present. And we have provided. Now this ed means is second form, and it has already been done. What has been revealed, it has already been revealed. So beta, this is how all the red and green are verbs, and this is how by just analyzing verb we find out either which tense it is. It's present or it's past, and likewise there are few ways to find out future. So this is what we have already learned, and we'll practice further today again. So you tell me, what do you know about simple present tense, and which form of verb we use in simple past tense? So pause the video and answer these two questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have mentioned all the things we have learned. So we are going to revise again. First of all, verb is action word. We know that. And it refers to time. The way I just find out, you see, the verb alone can tell us about the tense, and it can tell us either it's present or past or future, the way I just analyzed the sentences. So past is like that. When you were younger one, you were calling, all of you have gone through this phase. It's gone now, it's past. All right. This is your present. You are studying in grade 4, so it is happening now. And this is your future. When you will be grown up, you will be in senior school for girls and for boys both. All right, so beta, this is how the time is divided into 3 parts: past, present, future. And the verb itself tells us about the time. So when we write a sentence, we use a subject. And what is a subject? The one who does the verb. Okay. And verb itself, what is this? Verb is action. And object, the bearer of the verb on which the action is done. That is object. Now in this structure, only by changing verb we can change the tense. I eat an apple. Okay, now let's analyze this sentence. The doer of the verb is subject. Eat, action. What I'm doing? I eat. So eat is verb. And what am I eating? It's apple. So it's object. Subject, verb, object. We clean our room daily. My parents buy toys for me. Cows eat grass. Now you see we, it's subject, clean, verb, our room is object. My parents, subject, buy, verb, and what do they buy? Toys, it's object. Cows, subject, eat, verb, grass, object. This is how we analyze a sentence. Now when we look just for verb, it tells us which tense is this. It's simple present. What are the like specifications of simple present? We use first form of verb, that's clean, and for all the sentences we use first form of verb. And one more rule, it is when an action is done as a routine or habit, it's simple present tense. As we offer namaz daily, it's our routine every day. This daily is telling it's a routine, so it's simple present tense. Okay, they brush their teeth twice a day, it's their habit. Animals like natural environment, it's a natural environment is their, like they like it, so it's for a long time it's like that. It's a routine and it's a natural phenomena as well. So in present, simple present, we use first form of verb, we know that, and our subject can be I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. We know that I, we, and there can be it's first person, it's second person, it's third person, singular and plural. He, she, it, and any name is also singular. When I say Ali, Ali is he as well, so it means third person singular. What happens if there is he, she, and it? If these are the subjects, any one of them, then with the first form of verb we just simply add s or es. For example, these are the list of subjects, and here my verb is speak and my object is English. Now I'm going to make sentence. I speak English. We speak English. Now you can analyze this sentence. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. When I say you speak English, and when it comes to third person singular, instead of speak, I simply add as he speaks English. So this is the rule for simple present tense. He speaks English, she speaks English, it speaks English, and they speak English. Now you see, it's first form. Speak means to like speak, and it is first form with all the subjects, and just we add s or es if our subject is he, she, it. Are you getting it? Only we add s, or sometime with es with the first form of verb. This is the rule for simple present tense. Could you recall it? Good. Are you done with it? All right, so we are going to proceed. There are timeless and universal actions. The farmer plows in the field. Now you see, it's timeless and universal action. That's why we have used the simple present tense. While writing, if you are going to write a sentence, you just think, is it a routine, or it's a natural phenomena, or it's a universal action? You will simply use simple present tense. Okay. The sun sets in the west. It's a word like that. That's why we use simple present tense in these sentences. The stars shine at night. They don't shine in the morning. Like in sunlight, we cannot see them. So stars shine at night. It's a natural, universal phenomena. So we use simple present tense. All right. So when do we use simple past tense? Simple past tense is a form of a verb that indicates what happened or existed before now. As I told you, it's past, it has gone, it has already happened. So the sentence structure will remain same, subject, verb and object. What is the difference? What is new here? I just told you we offer namaz. Here it's we offered namaz. So I added ed. It means we have used second form of verb. What has already happened? It is simple past tense, and when we are writing past tense, we'll use second form of verb. Right? Further example, let's see. Two boys played with a ball. It means they have already played. Okay, this ed we added. Play is the first form. By adding ed, it becomes second form and it's simple past tense. Are you getting it? All right. An old lady walked with her cat. Walked. She walked. So I added ed. It means she walked. She has gone with her cat. Okay. All right. So after recalling all the rules of simple present and simple past tense, it's a time for activity. Are you ready? All right. It's a very interesting activity. Students are first paired. Okay. Teacher will make pairs of the student and then teacher will show pictures of different actions, different verbs. Now one student will make a sentence of simple present tense and the other student, like the pairing student, will make a sentence of simple past tense by using the same verb. I'm giving you an example. For example, what is the verb? Over here, there can be many, but our focus is sit. So I'm one student from the pair, I'll say, he sits on a chair, and the other will say, he sat on a chair. Okay, so in this way, teacher will keep you showing different actions and you will keep making sentences in simple present and simple past. Okay, I can show you different pictures of actions. Here we go. So use this picture, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this, or maybe this, or here you go. Okay, now pause the video and enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now you see the same verb we can use in a different way to make simple present tense, and in a different way it makes simple past tense. All right, so it's a practice time from your book. All of you settle down on your seats and open your book on page number 32. What you are supposed to do? Here we have given you sentences. First, you will read all these sentences. Then you will identify which tense has been used, and then in your notebook you will write on one page, you will write simple present sentences, on the next page you will write simple past sentences. So pause the video and complete this activity. Yes, are you done with it? Good. It's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using simple present tense, and then you will convert these sentences in simple past tense. This is your homework. Here I have given you 2 worksheets. Again, my fellow teachers, these worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheets to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do? You will complete these sentences, select the correct form of verb to make it simple past, and here you will complete the sentences considering its daily routine, so it means it's a simple present tense. So in this way, what we have learned today, we called the sentence structure as subject, verb and object, and we recalled that verb is action word and it refers to time, that is present, past or future. And we recall that in simple present tense we use first form of verb, and we recall that in simple past tense we used second form of verb, and we identified and practiced the simple present and simple past tenses in sentences. So in this way we achieved our today's SLO, that is to identify and use of tenses previously learnt in speech and in writing. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lecture. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, take very good care of yourself and all the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.